Joey Jersey, Act 1.
That's my friend Tarek. We're in Ironbound, Newark, New Jersey. We're about to head out to, we are about to go inside of IBERIA's restaurant and buy the cheapest but delicious cheesesteak sandwich. And we're both going to drink the Portuguese Orangina version, which in my opinion is much better than Orangina. Correct? He seconded that, which is sumol. Now let's go inside. Thank you, sir. By the way, that's...
Oh, you got me live now?
Yeah. Mr. Tarek. Oh my God. That looks good to me. A lot of people back in the day when we were younger, a lot of people, you know, our generation in this neighborhood would come here and just get the cheesesteak sandwich. That's all we could afford. We were in college or we were in high school, right?
College for me.
But we were locals. Now I'm wondering, how did you?
I think it was either you.
How did you find out?
Or Danny.
It was probably Danny.
Probably Danny. He knows about this? I don't think he knows about this. I think it was you.
Really?
Yeah. Pretty sure.
It used to be what? $5?
$5.
There used to be 2 Iberias. The other one closed down. This is the original.
Still is. There's one across the street.
Not
Closed?
It closed.
Hi, how are you?
Pandemic affected everything.
No.
No, we want 2 cheesesteaks and 2 smalls.
Cheese steak,
How much is it?
pepper and onions, 15 each one.
What?
15.
Yeah, well,
And
Pepper and
2
onions.
smalls?
Pepper and onions and
Yeah.
cheese, something.
Yeah,
How do I cook the steak?
medium rare.
Medium rare,
rare.
rare.
And what flavor small do you want?
Do the pineapple.
All right. So in the spirit of
So now we
being a
have
leader, I'm going to take the orange because I don't follow.
now we have a 200% inflation rate.
Wow.
Go ahead, drink.
2 smalls, 1 orange, 1. He wants pineapple.
Orange.
Alright, I'll do orange.
So you see, Tarek is the follower.
How by choice, Joey? I'm an Arab man in a foreign land. Oh, it's very similar to Spanish.
Huh?
Very similar to Spanish. Just one
Yeah,
letter off.
Yeah. But you do know that Portuguese is an older language.
What?
Portuguese is an older language than Spanish.
It's a more language?
It's an older language.
You know, there's over 800 Arabic words that made its way into Portuguese and Spanish.
I believe it. Maybe some of those 800 words creeped into the 600 Portuguese words that went to Japanese.
Oh, really?
So you never know.
That's true. Like what?
Anything that was European that they didn't have in Japan, they adopted the Portuguese word. So when I went to Japan, I was like, let me test this out because I know they didn't have bread. So,
You're saying Japan did not have bread?
no. So I said, phone. And the guy went and got the bread. I didn't point, nothing, I just phone. Went and got the bread. Now, before, they didn't have the word thank you. So, obrigado, arigato.
Yeah.
The way they used to say thank you was,
Respect.
right.
I never made a connection. That's interesting. Pretty cool. Medium rare right here.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm just rare.
That's
How much was this back in 2000, Tarek?
That was like $5 or $6.
$5 or $6, and now it is triple the price. Tarek, what did you think of this non-Portuguese food that we ate?
The non-Portuguese food?
Well, cheesesteak is an American.
Yeah, but the cut was, I felt was very authentic. It wasn't shreds like, what is it called?
Any final thoughts, Tarek?
About what?
Any final thoughts before we end the video of this restaurant?
This is one of the first places I went to when I was in college. I met my Portuguese brothers. There's a lot of good memories. A lot of nice, I don't know. You know, I came here to pick up Joey. His first thing came to my mind, let's get some steak. And I don't know, I feel like maybe the memory was bigger and better than the actual thing, but it's good. At least I had the sumol. Sumol is always good. It's always a hit. Even though you didn't finish yours.
Tarek is, we're both engineers. Tarek gets very deep and very intellectual at times, which that's how I find his sense of humor. I find it in his how he gets on this serious modes, like he just spoke now.
Like Frasier.
I can't get that like that sometimes, especially when I'm out and about and I've seen a good buddy. So I enjoyed the time. The beef, the cheesesteak was, I have to say, was very good. I wasn't expecting such a price hike, but, and of course, sumol. I love sumol. No high fructose corn syrup, and it contains real fruit juice. So that's definitely a go for me. So that's it. We're at IBERIA's restaurant, Ferry Street, aka or Portugal Avenue. They actually have Portugal Avenue signs out there. And until next time.